Well, good morning, B&I. Welcome to Dr. Dawn's Shop Talk. I'm going to start by giving you a quick tour on our way up to the office of what life really is like as a business consultant and coach. So I hope you enjoy this kind of day in a life video today. And it always starts with coffee. By the way, I don't show this to my coaching clients until we've gotten to know each other a little bit more, because I think you can see possibly what that says. Oh yes. Now you guys are going to be suspicious every time you see this with my mug, but come on inside. I'm lucky enough to be able to work from home, and when I visit clients and do workshops, I'm blessed enough to go to their businesses. So let's get started. Come join me. All right, the tour begins just as soon as we step inside, so come on. All right, the first step is to head up to the office. Oh, and you guys, you know how I'm always in the car? This is our guest room downstairs, reserved, you guessed it, for our trusted house sitters who take care of our babies. All those weeks that I'm joining you guys in the car as my husband Mark is driving us. Now, we're blessed enough to have 2 offices in our home. So we're gonna go up what I call the secret staircase. Y'all, it really is called that because when the door is closed, you literally don't even know that there's an upstairs to this house. It's very deceiving from the front. This is another really important feature for me as a business owner, because as a consultant and as a coach, you know, workshops and seminars are definitely something that we're so passionate about. So I need a place to be able to put all of my materials together and make sure I've got all the equipment we need. So if you come in here into this closet, which we just recently had redone, you can see I can store all of my equipment. So the green screen, the lighting that I need for the podcast and YouTube channel. And then here is where I put together packets. This was currently the last set of worksheets and materials that I created for Chicken Salad Chick for the Entree to Culture and Leadership program. And because we don't want our clients to have to come up with their own equipment, unless they just already have that for lots of other things, we actually bring our own projector. We have this huge portable screen, you guys. Emily can tell you that screen is amazing. Okay, so it's so convenient for me because I want to be able to customize materials. So when you are talking about our company and what we do, one of the things that we're proud of is the fact that based on what the client is going through, we're going to customize those materials. I will print those off for the client, staple them, put them in packets and folders, whatever the case may be. We're going to do that because, as you guys know, Shop Talk is all about customizable training for today's world of work. All right, you guys, so let's get to it. Let's get the day started, and let me just share a little bit with you about how I break up our services, what we are currently offering to our clients, and then I want you to be part of what that's going to entail. So this is going to be a behind the scenes look at all of that. Another thing we do is if we're going to offer a video, let's say it's a video we want a client to be able to keep for onboarding or HR purposes, something like that for their new employees, we can create those videos. You saw my green screen earlier, so we can make that look uber professional with all kinds of backdrops behind me. This is what I use to film the YouTube channel. But check this out. We believe in going the extra mile for our clients. We can bring this green screen if we need to. And you guys know I'm 5'1 3/4" on a good day, so I can only put up something like this if we spend the extra money to get the best quality green screen. So this one has a built-in handle. So check this out. I'm going to be working on a YouTube video today, and this is where I will be filming. So we use this kind of technology, again, to be able to put some really cool backdrops in there. So let me give you an example of exactly how we do that for our YouTube channel. Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you tuned into today's episode, then you know that building your brand, both professionally and personally, is so important. Join me today while I share 5 insider secrets so that you can learn how to do just that. All right, guys, I am at the desk because a big part of my business is one-on-one coaching. I absolutely love it. It's the most personalized version of my business because unlike a workshop or seminar where I'm in front of a big group, this is where I get to meet one-on-one and take a deeper dive to help my clients' employees really take their game up a notch, or 2 or 3, depending on what they need. So it's very customizable for sure. And we set goals each and every week. And I have 2 types of clients. I either have a company that's paying for me to work one-on-one with their employees, usually their managers, or I have clients that find me and they need that one-to-one help for a variety of reasons. Remember that we specialize in culture and leadership. We also help people in facing career and life transitions, whatever that change may be. So one of the things I'm going to be asking of you today in terms of referrals is, remember, I think Austin has said this before too, you don't have to do the selling for me. I just need the introduction to either a CFO, a CEO, or someone that would be in charge of training, like perhaps HR. But here's something I'd like for you to do right now, right in the middle of the video. I want you to go to drdawnshoptalk.com. Once you're there, I want you to scroll down, and when you do, you're gonna see this free cheat sheet called What to Do When Your Office is Driving You Nuts. If you have not downloaded this cheat sheet and provided your email to us so that you could be part of our email subscriber list where we can send you coupons for those future referrals, or we can send you free information or additional tips and tricks, then just doing that alone, you guys, would mean the world to us. Also, here's where they can find out more information about what we do as a consultant, all the workshops that we have for organizations. When they click Take Me There, right there, you guys, you could click on I'm a business, I'm a nonprofit, I'm a school, or government agency. A lot of people don't realize, in fact, guys, that we are a state certified vendor. That really helps schools, school districts, and definitely all levels of government to be able to hire us, because it's just so much easier with procurement if we're already a vendor. So definitely be sure to drop that information when you're talking to people about our services. When they do go there, by the way, you guys, if you were to click on the business, it's going to take you to a short blurb about our business options. You can click right here for a free quote. You will fill out this information right here, give us details, let us know which option you're interested in. Once they fill that out, you just click request a quote and we get a copy of that. Also, when you click on Let's Try I'm a Nonprofit, once you read the blurb, if you don't need a free quote at this time and you just need more information, you could literally click on download the brochure. And there's the brochure. But you guys, we have plenty of these. We can meet with anybody you would like to introduce us with. In fact, that same closet behind me, I've got stacks of all of the materials that I would ever need to be able to talk about our businesses. So if you were to set up a lunch for us or introduce us to someone that you think we need to talk to, then again, we can bring all those materials. But oftentimes people want to see it for themselves ahead of time, so all of it's right there on the website. Okay, you guys, I'm getting ready to jump on a coaching call, so I'm going to let you see just a little bit of that. It's so stressful. That's why I'm so proud of the work that you're doing. Leadership isn't easy, so hang in there. Remember, those coaching goals for the week are there to help you make that progress. All right, you guys. Well, thank you again for stopping by. You are welcome to stop by anytime. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye. And don't forget, you're welcome back anytime.